you how to make the ultimate afternoon pick-me-up smoothie. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using 1 scoop of the salted caramel protein powder. I'm going to be using about a teaspoon of the MCT oil, which is going to energize your brain. I've got some ice cubes here. I've got 3 pitted dates for sweetness. I'm also going to be using 2 teaspoons of smooth coffee, instant coffee. I've got a tablespoon here of rolled oats for an extra fiber boost to keep you feeling fuller for longer. I've got a cup here of frozen banana. You can also use a fresh banana, and I'm going to be using 1 cup of almond milk, but you can use whatever milk that you prefer. So to make my smoothie, I'm going to pop all my ingredients into my blender and blend it until it's really smooth and creamy.